REM sleep, you'll see on your cell phones and your watches and things, it says REM sleep. REM sleep is the process of transferring the information from the hippocampus and clearing it at night and into the cortex, which is why sleep is so important, because sleep would be an evolutionary mistake if it wasn't important, because every species does it. And it's the process of changing the information and dumping it out of the relevant structures in the brain. And then what it does is it creates a neural pathway or map or a blueprint in your mind that you can access whenever you need to fire the same process again, because the brain is trying to be predictive. When you come to a situation that is as close to that situation, it will fire the same map again. It's like going into a library, taking the book out and reading the blueprint, but hitting the blueprint instead of rewriting the whole bloody blueprint the whole time again. And so this is what the brain does up until the age of 35. Approximately around the age of 35, we are living on an automated, unconscious program, because you've learned everything that you needed to do. Think about the process of when you were a baby. You learn to crawl. That's the first thing. From once you've practiced it, repeated it, and then mastered it, you will then move on to the next task. And this is the entire process of our lives going up to the age of 35. To see an object, for example, to see this object here, takes you between 1,000th of a second and 3 nanoseconds. Now, that might seem small, but it's not real time. Real time is a one-to-one experience. When something happened, the other thing happens at the exact same time. That's real time. We live our lives in delay. And that means that the attachment that we have to this body as being us is incorrect. While you have a name that your parents gave you, you are not actually this as an avatar. It's a vehicle that you use to navigate this planet in order to experience whatever it is you're going to experience in this planet. And we use this body and its tools to feed back information to the driving place, which is the brain, and the brain then makes decisions on it. And what it does is it uses the information in order to become predictive. So everything, including stress, which we'll explain just now, is predictive, because you're actually not experiencing it in the true one-to-one relationship of it. You're experiencing it as a past memory. And this is where it gets interesting, because if it's an unconscious program, you can change it.